Hello, my name is Malakatin Pulgarina Costa. I am a student at UNAC. My travel way to incredible experience in Puerto Rico, Caqueta. What to do? Puerto Rico, Caqueta is a municipality located in the department of Caqueta in southern Colombia. It is known as the rice capital of this department. It is also highly visited by tourists for its beautiful water sources, which include the Pailes, the Salado Waterfall, the Tidal Falls, the majestic Guayas River, among others. Travel tips. You must visit all the rivers and waterfalls because they are beautiful and refreshing. You have to eat chicken sancocho. You mustn't throw garbage into water sources. Don't have to carry a lot of money since transportation and food are not expensive. When to go? You must choose come to visit Puerto Rico in December and January, because there is summer and you can enjoy all the rivers and waterfalls. In addition to the regatta in the majestic Guayas River, you should not miss the San Pedro festivals. You can enjoy and feel the folkloric and culture atmosphere of Puerto Rico. Superstition. If it rains tomorrow, we will have to cancel the pass. It's the power of that we won't be able to see the Christmas lights. What to do? Must visit all the rivers and waterfalls. Must visit Los Caucheros Park and try their delicious automat. You have to go to the regatta in the Guayas River. Don't have to miss the Saint Peter's festivities. You should go to the river park. Where to stay? You can stay in the best hotels like Casa Quinta Hotel, Diana Hotel, You Travel Hotel, Calima Hotel. What to eat? Chicken stew, fish, crumb cake, tamales, empanadas, patacón with everything. What to drink? Par out, masato, beer, lemonade, passion fruit juice, mango, soursop, blackberry. Transportation: motorcycle, car, bicycle, motorcar. Language: Spanish Colombia. Currency: Colombia currency. Tipping: in display, it is not normal for them to tip. Thank you.